Panda Express's crispy sesame shrimp and beef is delicious. But what if you want to make this amazing meal at home? Today, I'm making this crispy sesame shrimp and beef dish so that you can too. It makes for a great meal prep option or home cooked dinner. If you're looking to cook more meals yourself, or just looking for ways to save money on food, this recipe is a great option. The sauce is tangy and sticky with a nice sesame flavor. The string beans give this dish a crunch, and altogether, this is a wonderful option for lunch or dinner. Food prices are on the rise, so cooking at home is a great choice to avoid overpaying for food. Just because prices are rising though, doesn't mean you can't enjoy your favorites, so let's get cooking. For the sauce, mix 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of garlic salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then whisk this together until dissolved. Feel free to scale this sauce recipe as well if you want your dish more saucy. For the veggies, we'll prep about 1 cup of string beans or green beans and cut into about 2-inch long pieces. Then we'll dice into large chunks 1 red bell pepper. For the beef, we're using 1¼ pound of flank steak. We'll cut this into about 3-inch long and 1-inch wide pieces so that they're about 1/4 inch thick. We'll add this to a bowl and then add 1 egg white. Mix this together. In a large bowl, add 1 cup of cornstarch and toss our beef until fully coated. Then we'll preheat an air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once our beef is coated, we'll add this to the basket and spray generously with oil. Allow this to cook in the air fryer for about 10 minutes. We'll toss our basket after 10 minutes and add more oil, in total cooking for 20 minutes in the air fryer to crisp it up. Remove our beef and add 12 ounces of frozen breaded shrimp and spray generously with oil as well. I'm using Trader Joe's brand, but feel free to use others. Pre-breaded just makes this recipe easier to make without tons of work. We'll crisp this up for about 12 to 14 minutes. In a wok, add 1 tablespoon of oil, then add our veggies. Toss and cook for about 60 seconds. Then in an open spot, add some more oil and about 12 dried chilies. Allow these to brown and toast before tossing with the veggies. After another 2 to 3 minutes, we'll add our meat and toss it all together. Then we'll whisk and add our sauce. The sauce will thicken up and cling to the meat. Toss everything together to get a nice coating of the sauce. We'll turn off the heat and finish up tossing so that every piece of beef, shrimp, and veggie is coated with our sesame sauce. Then give it a final shake of sesame seeds on top. And boom, we have Panda Express crispy sesame shrimp and beef. The sauce is absolutely wonderful. I recommend scaling the sauce a little bit more, but otherwise this dish is fantastic. The string beans and bell pepper give this dish some pop and color and texture, and the beef and shrimp go so well with the sesame sauce. There's a nice kick of spicy to this dish as well. Be sure to enjoy this with some jasmine rice. Whether you make this for meal prep or dinner, this recipe makes way more than what you'll get at Panda Express, but with the same great flavor. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.